Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic update today. After a long time, Luna Classic, some people are requesting about it, and why not? Let's talk about Luna Classic. Alright, the coin is at extreme low still, and I used to look at it still for even I didn't do some updates, but I was actually still looking at what is going on with Luna Classic. So what I do see is when I shift into the daily time frame, Luna Classic, I've actually marked some very important places here, and that is there's this one huge support line and a move to the upside, another touch of that support, move to the upside, some few touches right now, consolidation, and you've actually started to pump again, and you're reaching that little bit of resistance. You're just consolidating in this zone. I'm actually going to zoom in into that zone of consolidation and show you what is going on. So we have this sideways consolidation. You can see move up, rejection, move down, move up again, rejection, move down, and then move to the upside. Now, is this the place where you go up because you have one bottom, you've got the second bottom here, you've got the third bottom, and you have the triple bottom, and then you have the neckline itself coming in as well. And if you break from the neckline, then it is time for this neckline to offer a pump to the upside. And it's important that I give you one shout out that August, September is opened up, and I do have a coin that is in my list, which in my opinion is gonna drop down in September, and I'm preparing for Q4 with this coin. Okay, Q4 is a very good month, so I'm very confident that this coin may actually start to move up again. And right now it's trading up near that resistance, but I'm pretty sure that by September it's gonna have one more leg down, and by December we may have a break, and if it moves to the top, it's a 500%, but we may have a very big win, right? So we're talking, even if we don't get 500%, we're still gonna have like maybe 200, 100%, maybe at least 50% we're talking about. So this is a very rare kind of chart pattern that is building up since 2024. So you want to join, just message me on Discord, and I'm gonna actually add you up. So this is breaking out Luna Classic at the moment, so maybe there is a chance we see a retest. There could be something like this, and if the retest doesn't work out, manipulation can happen, and then it goes down to 5279. That's one thing, right? So I'm going to repeat this again. You come down here, right? If you hold, amazing. If you don't, down again, and that is to 5236, and then you can buy again at that point. Okay, and another scenario is you don't even do retest, and you just pump up and you go all the way to 8843, which is actually the very same place you're coming on after the breakout, right? And the next thing is you go for the retest, you bounce off the retest, and then you just continue to go to the upside. So that's it for this update. It's a very quick one, but I think it's straight to the point, no rocket science. But I'm actually going to end it with this, that this is the very same place where Luna Classic has made so number one, we've actually seen 264%, and then the second time we actually saw 222%. So it's a very strong place after breakout, right? If we might actually expect another, if you're making on average like 200%, we could be looking at 16160 coming down the next 2 months at least, we're talking about. So the time that we saw this one moving, the bottom was in 19 October and the top was at December, so this took 2 months. This break here was back in August, and the top was in December, so that's like 4 months. So this is like +2 in here. So this one took 2, this one took 4 months, right? So I'm just doing a little bit of math, just trying to do a guesswork. This one took 2 months, this one took 4 months. Is this gonna take 6 months? We do not know. So let's just say that this was the bottom in January. So even if it's 6 months, it should have happened in June, right? Yeah, so I was just trying to figure out if we can actually get a number or an idea of when we can actually have a pump or expect a pump to the upside, but I don't know, man. I don't know. But just keep in mind that this is just one area. This is just the zone that is capable of pushing Luna Classic if it actually just leave that place back up to 17660, and that's where exactly you have another resistance right over here. Maybe get rejected and then go down, move sideways like this for the rest of your life, or if you do get proper bullish, you may break it and go back to the all-time high. So that's it for this update, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.